If you are interested in learning industrial basics, safety topics, and engineering concepts in very simple English, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Today's topic is very important for everyone, whether you work in an industry, study engineering, or just want to understand basic safety concepts. In this video, we will clearly explain what fire is and what the fire triangle means. What is fire? Fire is not just something we see as flames. Scientifically, fire is a chemical reaction called combustion. This reaction happens when three essential elements come together: heat, fuel, and oxygen. When these three elements combine in the right amount, fire is produced, along with heat, light, smoke, and flames. Fire plays a very useful role in our daily life. We use fire for cooking, heating, power generation, welding, and many industrial processes. However, when fire is not controlled, it becomes extremely dangerous. Uncontrolled fire can cause injuries, loss of life, damage to equipment, and destruction of property. That is why understanding the basics of fire is a key part of safety training. A simple way to remember this is, fire equals heat plus fuel plus oxygen. Fire triangle. To understand how fire starts and how it can be stopped, we use a concept called the fire triangle. The fire triangle has three sides, and each side represents one essential element required for fire. 1. Heat. Heat is the energy required to start a fire. It raises the temperature of the fuel to a point where it can ignite. Common sources of heat include open flames, electrical sparks, hot surfaces, friction, and static electricity. Without heat, fire cannot start. 2. Fuel. Fuel is any material that can burn. It can be a solid, liquid, or gas. Examples of solid fuels include wood, paper, plastic, and cloth. Liquid fuels include petrol, diesel, oil, and chemicals. Gaseous fuels include LPG, natural gas, and hydrogen. If there is no fuel, fire cannot continue. 3. Oxygen. Oxygen supports the burning process. It is usually supplied from the air around us, which contains about 21% oxygen. Fire needs oxygen to keep burning. If oxygen is reduced or cut off, the fire will weaken and eventually go out. Why the fire triangle is so important? The fire triangle helps us understand how fires can be controlled or extinguished. If you remove any one side of the triangle, the fire will stop. Removing heat by cooling can stop the fire. Removing fuel by isolating or shutting off the source can stop the fire. Removing oxygen by smothering using foam, carbon dioxide, or a fire blanket can stop the fire. This principle is the foundation of how fire extinguishers and fire safety systems work. Fire is useful, but it can also be dangerous if not handled properly. Understanding what fire is and how the fire triangle works gives us the knowledge to prevent fires and respond safely in emergency situations. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Technically and Sports Info. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video with another easy and important topic.